everybody! Today I have another Lolita themed video. I have an unboxing for you today. An unboxing! Yes! Did I just do one? Yeah, but I have another one for you. So today I have a new Angelic Pretty release to unbox for you. Today I am going to unbox Letter Doll for you guys. This was released in August, I believe. I don't know if it's just me. I think it is just me. I haven't seen anybody rave about this print or it hasn't sold out. All of the pieces are still there. All the colorways are still there. Everything's still available. Nobody's really talking about Letter Doll and I don't know why. Okay, well, okay. I have a theory of why, and it's very, like, different. Very retro, I guess, and AP has done some retro prints and cuts in the past. I feel like the recent releases that have gotten really, really popular are, like, either really sweet or, like, Halloween themed or something. And I don't know. I mean, I just don't know why we're not talking about Letter Doll. I think it's really cute. I don't know. I really like Letter Doll, and I have not seen a single unboxing. I have not seen a single secondhand listing. I have not seen anybody talk about it or buy it, and I just don't know why. So I'm gonna be that person because I really like it, I really wanted it, and so I got it. So yeah, today we're gonna talk about Letter Doll, whether you like it or not. Let's go grab the box. Dun, 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 dun. Here's the box. I ordered it from Angelic Pretty USA, so their San Francisco location, so shipping was really, really quick. The shipping is going to be really quick for me because I live in Washington State and these guys are just in California. So shipping is gonna be really, really fast, but not only that, they shipped it priority. I don't know if I had an option for not priority. I honestly, I don't know. I don't keep track. They shipped it the same day I ordered it. Like, no kidding. I ordered Letter Doll and a pair of socks to kind of go with it. They were on sale, you'll see. But I ordered it, I want to say like 8 or 9 a.m. and they shipped it out at noon. Same day. Like, they shipped it out the same day at noon, like a few hours later. Like, who does that? Like, I was expecting like, but no, they shipped it the same day, like literally hours after I ordered it. Either you were very eager to send me this, or you just have like your game. Like you just got a lot of game and you send your packages really promptly. I'm getting so animated, my head bow. Keep on watching if you want me to complain about my head bow for the rest of this 7-minute video. Okay. But yeah, let's get to unboxing. There is no tape. Oh, this is one of, okay. These boxes have like the glue, is that it? Ew, wait. Wait, yeah, it's glued really well. I mean, that's good because I know it's safe. You know, I bet you there's a way to open this. I bet you there's a way to open this and I'm just doing it completely wrong. But there's a theme here with me in my life. I like getting things done, but in the most time-consuming way possible. Ooh, it's sticky, but it's open. I'm sorry, box, but oh, yay, okay. Here it is, you can see it peeking out. Peek it. Oh, but I want to show you guys the socks first. Where's the socks? Oh wait, there's a note. This is my first time buying directly from the brand because all my other stuff is secondhand. Oh, they said, look at this note. Read it. It says, thank you, Jemma. That's my name. Woo! Are you ready? Cue theme song. Dun 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 dun. Oh, dun 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 dun. Finale. Yay! I got, obviously, the white colorway. I really liked the black on black collar because that means I get to wear my black lipstick. And I grabbed these carnival socks. They had carnival in the name. I don't know if they're called like carnival socks. They're over the knees and they're black with, I mean, I thought that was white, but I guess it's kind of more of a silver. But it has AP and like hearts, spades, and carousel horses. And the print has hearts on it and letters and hearts, hence Letter Doll. I thought it would just look really good together. But if not, I have another pair of socks coming on the way from Closet Child, so you know, it's fine. Little piece of tape. Oh, these are really nice. I don't know if I mentioned, but these were on sale. Yeah, they were on sale. And I have them. Cute, cute. Oh, and it says Angelic Pretty on the bottom in I don't know why it took me so long to name that color. It's in gold. Here it says originally they were 2,300 yen. Pretty sure I got them for like 1,300 yen or something like that. Yeah, so I'm super excited. They were on sale and they matched, so I feel like it was a pretty good purchase. I'm so excited. Oh, the ribbon is velvet too? All right, here it is all packaged, or I meant all folded. Oh yeah, that's really cute. So the main detail that I'm focusing on are these tears. No. First, like right off the bat, got a few details to show you. The first one that I noticed, the collar has like these shimmery polka dots all over it. You see that? So that's really cute. And then there's like this small little lace trim. And then the ribbon is velvet. And I love bibs and details like around the neck and collar area. It's just, you know, one of my many things I'm a hoe for. All of this detail up here, the ruffles, the buttons, just all of this, I'm just a super big fan of. This is just for decoration. It doesn't open up, but there is a zipper in the back so you can like get into it comfortably. There is your little bow. It is not detachable. And then yeah, it's got long sleeves. It's got this black AP lace. All the buttons are heart-shaped. Further going down, you have different letters. And then here is the back. I'm gonna say there is no shearing. So you got some waist ties. They're detachable by their little heart buttons. But yeah, that's Letter Doll in white. Or is it ivory? I guess I'll give it a little cheeky try on for you guys. Let's go try it on. Do-do-do. Okay, so now that I have the dress on, I have a few more things to say. This velvet bow is removable. This dress is petite. It is small. I have a 26 or 27 inch waist. It depends on how many cookies I'm eating that day. And it fits super fine. I can go up and it only like starts becoming a little bit restricted here. Probably because I'm wearing a bra, actually. If I weren't wearing a bra, I'd probably just slip right up just fine. But that's also because I have 0 boobs. I do not have 1, I do not have 2, I have 0. Bust room, B cup at most. Maybe, yeah. And yeah, the waist, it has a fixed waist. So it does have waist ties, but it doesn't matter whether you're wearing them or not. It has a seam here that is not stretchy. I actually have no problem with the sleeve length this time. When I have my hands down, it comes to about there, just at the top of my hand. It's quite comfortable. Of course, they kind of ride up when I'm moving my arms, but it doesn't look bad. This is a fully lined dress right here. I can show you. Chiffon overlay. First lining with the lace, second lining. The lining that touches my skin is velvety smooth. It is so soft and so comfortable. It feels like silk. Honestly, it's kind of gothic-y almost. Cute, but also like mature, but kind of mischievous, kind of like pick a card and you card, you know, kind of feel. It's super cute and I'm really happy with it. But yeah. Yay! Alright, so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. I hope you keep on smiling. I already have another dress coming in the mail, and one that already came that I still haven't unboxed. If you enjoy me and my face and my content, stay tuned. Subscribe, click that bell so that you're notified every single time that I irresponsibly spend my money and every time that I have another very expensive Lolita unboxing haul. Yay! Please follow my Instagram. I try really hard on that platform and I do some cool stuff. Thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. So bye! That is a finger workout. Okay.